Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve birthday notifications on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve birthday notifications on Facebook app, you should just go to settings and you can click here. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click here in this window. As you see, then in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking